Hey guys, what's up? This is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel and another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in today's video we'll show you what is the difference between left to right and right to left selection in Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, if you observe carefully, if you select from left to right, a blue window appears, and if you select your right to left, a green window appears. So what is the difference between these two windows? Let's check out. So suppose we have these columns and I am doing a particular right to left selection, that is the green one. All the columns are selected. Now the same columns I try to select with my left to right window. You can see none of the columns have been selected, but if I go from your left to right or the blue window and select the full column, then the full column has been selected. So what does this mean? So if we select from our left to right or using the blue window, then only the complete objects will get selected. Whereas if we select from our left to right, whatever object or whatever member the window touches, it will get selected completely, as you can see here. So this feature is very useful in selecting objects in Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, I hope that you found today's video useful. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel and do comment. Bye bye.